Hey, this is Marjorie, and here's something you may want to avoid. It's something that I've stopped doing. So I want to show you this plant right here. I was going to pick it up, but I just watered it, and it's kind of heavy. Right here. And you might be going, Marjorie, what's the big deal? That's cilantro? Yeah, well, the big deal is a lot of people are growing cilantro in aquaponic systems. And the reason I take cilantro, and the reason a lot of people eat cilantro is because it takes up heavy metals and it cleans out your body from different toxins and stuff. So PVC pipes are almost always the hydroponic systems are almost always built out of PVC pipes, and PVC pipes have a lot of really toxic chemicals in them. So do you really want to eat a plant that is known for taking up toxic chemicals that was grown in a kind of a toxic environment? I don't. I want to give a shout out to Stephanie Sison, who actually brought this to my attention. And now I love aquaponics. I love people who are growing in aquaponics. You know why? It's because they're growing something, right? It's really important to be growing. But for me personally, I'm definitely an in the dirt, simple, we can survive a grid down situation type person. And hadn't thought of it before, but this just the nature of what your plants might be picking up from toxicity in an aquaponic system is a deep concern for me. And just wanted to bring that to your attention. And, my God, I'm going to do a pitch for my own product. Okay, are you ready? Go to backyardfoodproduction.com, and I've got a free webinar there. And I will teach you how to grow food in your backyard, even in a grid down situation. If you have no experience, you're older, or you're out of shape. And I'm serious, I really have this targeted toward that worst case scenario where, we have the whole cyber polygon, where the banks are closed, that whole experience. So head over to backyardfoodproduction.com and check out that free webinar. Okay, catch you on the next video. Have a great day.